watch what happens. I'm not going to pour any more weight for now. Maybe a little bit more. A little more help. Just a little bit.
Tomorrow's rainstorm.
He's going. You have blowing it. Almost like, wait, don't make too many waves. Break that problem. There we go. Right, hand up. There we go. Look how it's down cutting. It's cutting its own little canyon. And as you watch, we have these backwards retreating waterfalls. Headward erosion. Pretty soon it's going to work its way back to this little canyon it's cutting. Once it cuts all the way back to the main lake, it's going to really start to go. And watch what it does down below. Look how it's cutting a little canyon. You can even see layers in there already. So we're not even
pass that around before it gets warm.
We're not even moving it. It's doing it all by itself. More water, more erosion, more water. Pretty soon, once that neck point gets back to the lake,
Picking up.
it's going to start to really come
And
in.
here comes a culprit. Doesn't know what's happening.
It's
gonna be fossilized.
Yeah, he's going to be caught in the midst of destruction.
Oh, that little ant's going to go.
Whoa, that is cutting. You should see from this side. You guys can't see.
Yeah, look at that
It's
little
almost, what do you call that, like inverted. The
So
canyon
imagine
is
if that land was
bigger.
actually further out, it would do that same thing, but through much wider section. Yeah, right? Now we got slumping inside, we got U-shaped amphitheaters forming, right?
Got one over there.
Put a rock in there, did you? No, it's foam.
I'm good.
It's like foam from the sun. We haven't even touched it since we let that little tiny breach go. Now look what it's doing.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, right?
It's bigger at the base than at the top.
It's carving downstream. Look at that. Of course, this is very soft.
Yeah, look what it's doing down there.
U-shaped amphitheater. Yeah, look. Whoa,
Oh, we just had a rock fall.
pretty cool, huh?
We got a rapid. Everybody get some watermelon that wanted it right now?
Yes, thank you.
Get some while it's cold.
Giant just trampled the base of our...
We got fossil rockets.
Watermelon seconds.
No, we might be good on the ball here. I'm
Couple
almost
little
done.
rapids down there. Look at that.
Almost. I need it going. Two more, guys.
Two more. Please
Two
take
more. Take them.
I can take seconds.
In the garbage can?
In the garbage can.
Thank you.
Hey guys, Ryan's in the garbage can.
Pretty cool. Good
Look at that
demonstration.
little winding bend turn.
You're standing in the Grand Canyon, buddy.
Yeah, we got a nice eddy there. Eddy's eating away a side bank right there, creating a big amphitheater. Look at that.
The ant's going down.
Auntie!
Wow.
Dance rafting.
Oh, man.
Take some more Grand Canyon stuff over there.
So, a miniature little demonstration of Lake Silver.
That's cool.
How come they didn't have the Bryce Canyon
Let's do it again.
points on it?
Bryce Canyon's up here. See all these edges up here?
Yeah.
Look at all that erosion coming down. This is drawdown effect. You can even see where it's kind of made these little edges. So Bryce Canyon's not a true canyon. It's more of an erosional like bowl almost where it's down edges. So this would kind of represent where Bryce Canyon is at. These could be hoodoos. You know, if we had the right type of sediment in there. It's all sand here, but this kind of actually looks a lot like what you see up at Bryce Canyon.
It would react the same if you could get it.
It's still going, all by itself.
More Grand Canyon over there.
Cutting. Still cutting. Yeah.
We could fill this up and do
So
it
hopefully
again.
this kind of helps make some of what we were talking about this thing come alive in a little bit.
That was excellent,
Not
Nate.
a model, the thing.
Let's brace that rocket Zion.
That probably flood recession.
Save that from spinning.
Yeah. Little scums.
So the limestone banks might hold up even a little.
Oh yeah. This is just
than a
like
sand.
This is just slumping in left and right. Yeah. Too fast so it doesn't top over anywhere else. We just want the one spillway. Now watch this one spillway. All right, that's good. Let it spill through a while. But starting from nothing, keep watching. All right. Yeah, put in more water. Keep going, keep going. And keep watching downstream here too. This is where it gets really fun too. We have a nick point coming down here, so it's there we go. Fun with physics.
Wow.
Look, don't breach our wall there on the side. But look at how much it's eroding down here even.
Wow.
And look at this.
Wow.
Got more speed. You get a little velocity and a little bit of debris in there that'll move some.
Yeah. Yeah, look at what it's carving downstream here, this whole thing.
That was really pretty impressive. That's so the speed and the density of the water increased. I'm starting to look like a Grand Canyon.
What's that water as well? Georgia just happened recently. I don't know about that one. No. North Georgia somewhere.
That's cool.
So here's kind of a mini representation because you can already see, wait a minute, look at what it's doing here. So if we had a water source like that up there, I mean this was completely just flat and smooth right here. Just a few seconds ago, right? And so if you're pouring a massive amount of water, we're talking about a huge amount of water pouring down through here. You can see if actually it carved two separate canyons, it kind of branched off there. And you begin to look at this, and actually you can look down closely. You can see there's layers within the sand. You would have no idea, but there's actually this sand is actually layered. You start looking down in there, and you can see as it kind of meanders around and starts to carve out some U-shaped formations and things like that. And if we had anything in the middle that, like a rock or something that would resist that erosion, it actually would channel around it. And we'd have a lot of the same side canyon-like features that we have here at Grand Canyon. You can already see some sapping taking place. We see here where it's actually starting to. The water was saturated, and so it's sapping from the middle, making these U-shaped amphitheaters that go off. Now, when you look at Grand Canyon from space with a satellite image, you can actually see these big U-shaped scallops along the sides, very much like that. So, a little fun demonstration. If you guys want, we can pour more water and just keep this thing going if you want. Go for it. We're going to see how big it gets before it collapses in between. But that's a pretty impressive little thing there for just. So hopefully this will help.